if you're struggling with PCOS or hormonal imbalances, you're definitely not alone. Today we're diving into how low-impact weightlifting can be a game changer for balancing hormones and managing PCOS symptoms. Hey sister, I'm Shantel, and I've struggled with PCOS and all of her loveliness for over 25 years. I've been to more doctors than I can count, and all of them insisted on putting me on the pill to control my symptoms. After years of feeling frustrated and completely dismissed, I decided to take my healing back and do things holistically. I firmly believe our bodies know how to heal, we just have to learn to listen. Stick with me to discover how you can transform your health. Let's start with the basics. PCOS, or polycystic ovarian syndrome, affects millions of women worldwide. It's a hormonal disorder that can cause irregular periods, weight gain, high levels of male hormones, skin changes, thinning hair, and even infertility. But what if I told you there's a way to manage these symptoms naturally? Understanding the role of hormones like insulin, testosterone, and estrogen is so crucial. The good news is that these hormones can be influenced by lifestyle changes, including exercise. If you're anything like me, then you've been through the ringer trying to figure out which exercises work best for your body. Check out this video to hear my story and what led me to low-impact movements like strength training to support my body and hormone health. Now, you might be wondering, why low-impact strength training? Well, unlike high-intensity workouts, low-impact exercises are super gentle on your joints and perfect for us sisters. They help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce stress levels, and promote muscle growth without the risk of injury. Plus, they can be done at home or in the gym. Here's what's interesting. When you lift weights, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. But that's not all. Weightlifting can also lower cortisol levels, which is your body's stress hormone. What's more, strength training has been shown to lower testosterone levels in women with PCOS. This is significant because high levels of male hormones like testosterone are a common symptom of PCOS and can lead to issues like hirsutism and cystic acne. Resistance training enhances glucose uptake in muscles, which can improve insulin sensitivity. This is really beneficial for women with PCOS because improved insulin sensitivity means less insulin circulating around your beautiful body, wreaking havoc, reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, reduced testosterone levels, and an increased basal metabolic rate, which aids in weight management. Strength training may also help reduce androgen levels, which are often elevated in women with PCOS. This can contribute to a reduction in symptoms like irregular menstrual cycles. As a whole, low-impact strength training has such a positive influence on hormone levels and metabolic health. That's holistic healing in my book. So how do you get started on healing PCOS with strength training? I've got you covered. Start by coming up with a plan that works best for you. You need a solid routine that's sustainable and fits into your life's demands. Consider starting with 3 days a week, focusing on different muscle groups each day. For example, Monday could be upper body, Wednesday, lower body, and Friday, full body. Remember, consistency is key. And don't forget to warm up and cool down to prevent injuries. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see dedicated PCOS workout routine videos to help you on your journey, and I will make that happen. I know starting something new can be really daunting, especially when you're dealing with PCOS. But remember, every small step really counts. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements. Make sure you surround yourself with a supportive community, whether that's online or in person. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. I would love to hear about your struggles with PCOS and hormone imbalances. Share your journey in the comments below because I would love to support you. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I hope you found this video really helpful and empowering. Remember that healing PCOS and balancing hormones is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.